hope you guys all doing today. Manang Ilocana here and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy bowl cozy that completely reversible and microwavable. So come on guys and let's get started. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric cut to 10 inches by 10 inches, 2 pieces of batting cut 10 inches by 10 inches, scissors, tailor's chalk, ruler, pins, thread, and my sewing machine. Okay, so first thing that we have to do, lay your batting, and over on that, now lay over your fabric, pin together to secure. From corner to corner, mark your fabric using your ruler and tailor's chalk. Now, mark the other side from corner to corner again. This will guide you to sew. Now, by following the line that you marked, sew from corner to corner. Now, fold your fabric in half. Measure 2 inches down on the folded side of the fabric and mark. Then measure 1 inch along top and mark. Draw along this point to create sew line. Repeat this on the other side. Flip it over and then measure 2 inches and then 1 inch along top and then draw a line. I'm using 2 because this one, it seems like it's not really right, or you can't really see it. Sew it to your sewing machine to create a cozy shape. Once you're done sewing, then fold the other ways and repeat. Trim the excess using your scissors. There it goes. Now repeat this with the other fabric. This time, turn one bowl inside out and place it into the other so that the right side of the pattern are facing each other. Make sure to line up the edges evenly and pin to secure. Do this all the way around. Now, before sewing, mark a 2 inches opening and leave it unsewn. So this time mga gayam, I'm gonna sew around the edges except the 2 inches opening. trim also each corner. There you go. Okay, mga gayam, so this time, open up the opening gap and turn inside out. So this time, I'm gonna push out the corners. I will use my scissors or any pointy thing, you could use it. This time, guys, push out all the internal seams and make sure until nice and flat. Now close up the gap by sewing all the way around the edge. Make it sure mga gayam that fold this part and then sew that. Alright mga gayam, this is the finished product of my project for today. I made 2 of it. That's the first one that I made it, and this is the second one. So guys, we're gonna put the bowl and try it. As I said, this is microwavable also, so if you make an oatmeal and you wanted to microwave it, just put it inside of your microwave so that when you take it out, it won't hot. You don't have to hold the bowl. You just hold this one, and it's a lot safer, mga gayam. Now guys, you can use also for different things. If you don't want it to use it as your bowl holder, mga gayam, you could use it also as your sewing, you know, all your stuff for sewing. You could just put it in there so that and it's a lot easier for you to find all your stuff. You can do like that, mga gayam. So that is the one thing also that you could use it for.